Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Face ID is not available. Try setting up Face ID later. So guys, when you want to set up Face ID on your iPhone facing this issue again and again, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, scroll it down, click on general, and click on transfer and reset iPhone. Click on reset, and guys, you need to reset all settings. After this, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version, and guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you have to open your Apple Store on your iPhone, select your gadget here, scroll it down, click on more, and guys, from here you need to find Face ID. Click on this one, and you have to wait for a few seconds, and guys, click on call, and you need to call at these two numbers and tell them your problem. They will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, if still not fix your problem yet, then guys, you need to check that your iPhone Face ID has been physically damaged or not. So guys, if physically damaged, you need to check to expert mechanic, and guys, he will check. And guys, if your Face ID has been damaged, then guys, he will change your Face ID and problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.